Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So as you saw on the thumbnail, let me as you saw in the thumbnail, I've done some paint testing. I did the light blue, which is the same blue we used on the Impala that we built back first of last year, first of this year, the first of 2024. Anyways, this video is probably going to come out after the new year. So we sprayed this spoon with that, then we put on 2 coats of clear, the Rust-Oleum clear. I like how that came out. Set this one aside. And then I sprayed, this is the color we did the GTO and the Beretta. Sprayed this spoon with that color. That's the Candy, what is red? Satin Apple Red by Rust-Oleum. That one got this clear coat. I feel like that worked out just fine. I spent about a week spraying them. It wasn't in any big huge rush. And all of them got, well, these two got the Rust-Oleum primer. The purpose of this experiment was to figure out, can I use Dupli Color over the Rust-Oleum, which, yes. Does it come out just fine? Which I think the answer is yes. I think they're both got good shine, good reflection. So I think that worked out just fine. Getting ready to move into winter here, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to spray my models moving through winter. Probably moving through winter, I'm going to do a few box stock builds with Rust-Oleum, and the other ones I'm going to be doing Rock and Roll on Wheels build, my Monsters, Megas, and Pullers build, and at some point during the winter, I'm probably going to start my dad's Thunderbird. So then, what I decided to do was test out the color that I was in the process of mixing up for the Mustang Street Machine build. So this was before I'd really darkened it a lot, and that's just the MCW paint on its own. Same here. I tested out the color, and look at that. Look how that reflects. You can see the foam. You can see kind of outside. That's a nice clear coat. So that got, over the course of about a week, about 3 coats of this. Worked out really good. And it was about 65, 70 degrees outside. So can you spray Dupli Color over MCW? I think the answer is yes. Worked out just fine. But here's the issue. If you saw the Street Machine build, I sprayed the Dupli Color clear coat when it was a little too cold, and I clouded my paint job. Dupli Color apparently likes it warmer than 45 degrees out. There's your difference. The spoon's absolutely gorgeous. Mustang, not so much. Would I use Dupli Color clear coat over the top of MCW? Absolutely. You just got to be aware enough to spray it when the temperature is correct. That'll conclude out this little experiment. Excuse me. I guess overall, I think that the clear coat for Rust-Oleum works fine over Rust-Oleum. I mean, it should. They're the same manufacturer. I think the clear coat over the MCW paint for Dupli Color. Now I'm going to also do. I'm going to get the 1K. They offer a 1K. I don't know if that's what this is. It doesn't say it on the can anywhere that it's a 1K. But can you spray this over the Rust oleum and the MCW? Absolutely, works great. You just have to be aware of your temperatures and your climate. If it's a little bit too humid or if it's a little bit too cold, and you spray in improper conditions, you're going to get an improper result. User error. So to conclude out this video, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find this information helpful, give it a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Any feedback is positive because I'll change on how I make my videos moving forward. And I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel. We've had a lot of support. You all are making the channel a success. I make the videos, you make it a success. And until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe, everybody be blessed.